Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to edit music on iMovie. Editing music in iMovie on your iPhone involves adding, trimming, and adjusting the audio to fit your video project. So here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, open up the iMovie application on your iOS device. You can now open up the project where you want to add the music, or start up a new project the usual way. Go ahead and import a media that you want to edit from your camera roll. After you do that, click on the Create button at the bottom. After you import the media onto your timeline, go ahead and tap on the plus button at the top left corner. Now select Audio from the menu. Choose one of the audio sources and select an audio clip you want to add onto your project. After you tap on that, you will be able to preview the music. In order to add it onto your project, click on the little plus button right next to the song. Now, you will be able to add the music track onto your timeline right under your media. Tap on the track and it'll be highlighted in yellow. You can now click on the scissor icon at the bottom left and position the playhead where you want the music to split. Now click on the split button from the menu that appears at the bottom. Now after trimming the music clip, you can then go ahead and select the clip and drag and position it on your desired area. The next thing you want to do is to adjust the volume and fade effects on the music clip. Select the music clip and then tap on the speaker icon at the bottom. Use the slider to adjust the volume level. To apply fade in and fade out effect, tap the fade button right next to the volume slider. Drag the fade handles to create a fade in or fade out effect. If you ever want to remove the music from your project, you can simply select the music clip and click on delete at the bottom right. Make sure you adjust the music duration by dragging the handles and making sure that it covers your entire media. Right after you do that, you can play your video by clicking on the play button at the top, and that way you can easily edit music on iMovie. After you are happy with your result, click on the done button at the top left and save your project. So that is how you can edit music using iMovie in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.